BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 123 of season 3. Today's word is seize. Seize means to take hold of something quickly and sometimes forcibly, or to take advantage of an opportunity eagerly. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word seize. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Seize is spelled as S-E-I-Z-E. The word seize means to take hold of something quickly or to take advantage of an opportunity eagerly. For example, when the shopping mall opened its sale, the privileged members seized an opportunity to shop before other customers could get a chance to shop. Isn't this a perfectly relevant example? Listen carefully how we can use the word seize in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. There were reports that gold was being smuggled into the country through a seaport. The police laid a trap and seized the vehicle carrying gold. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The top-ranking badminton player suddenly fell ill and Dan was asked to play the match as replacement. Dan seized the opportunity and earned the honor of playing for his country. Now let us understand example number 3 of 8. The stationery shop owner was unable to repay the loan despite several reminders. Finally, the bank got permission from the court and seized the property. Example number 4 of 8. The king had ordered huge celebrations inside the fort. Everyone was busy with the arrangements. The enemy army attacked at night and seized the fort. Do you speak like this sometimes? Maybe yes, because there are fillers in your English. To eliminate that, you need to practice thinking in English. Now you'll ask me how to do, and then I'll tell you to visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The government officials found some faults in the manufacturing process of TR chemicals. They ordered the company to stop the production till the issue is resolved. As a result, their competitor seized some market share from them. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The motivational speaker spoke to the students at the graduation ceremony. He asked the students to be proactive and seize every opportunity to be successful in life. Isn't this advice applicable to all? Now let us understand example number 7 of 8. Lata came to know that a Chinese corporate working in India needed an interpreter. Interpreter is a person who translates languages. She seized the opportunity and applied for the post. They appreciated her zest and she was selected. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. The security officers raided a village near the forest and seized a big stock of weapons and fake currency. They also arrested the suspects who were involved in this activity. Today we learnt the word seize, which means take hold of something quickly and sometimes forcibly, or to take advantage of an opportunity eagerly. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with C's and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to develop your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 123 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.